Your lawnmower's blade needs to be checked and maintained so it can provide a healthy, great-looking lawn. The blade needs to be sharpened at least once per season. The blade will be nicked by rocks, branches, or other debris on the lawn. If the nick is larger than you can easily sharpen away, the blade should be replaced. If the blade is bent or has a piece broken off, it should be replaced immediately. Replacing the blade is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the blade from the lawnmower. To do that, I'll tip the lawnmower up and I'm supporting it by sliding the handle underneath a workbench. That'll keep the lawnmower in place. The blade is secured with one bolt, and I'll go ahead and remove it. Now I'll install the new blade. As I install the blade, I want to make sure that the bevel on the cutting edge is facing up towards the bottom of the deck. I align the blade with the adapter and then secure it with the bolt. And now you can install a new blade on your lawnmower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.